So by using this vernier caliper, we have to measure the thickness of such type of the bearing. So we have to measure the ring thickness of this bearing. Before handling or before measurement, this component should be clean, as well as this measuring instrument also clean. Then first check this vernier caliper for zero error. Means here we have to observe that this zero mark on vernier scale and zero mark on this main scale should coincide with each other. Then place this component on a flat surface. Then by using this knob, just push this vernier scale and so hold the component in this jaws, then lock this nut as well as lock this nut. Reading, measure the distance between 0 on main scale and 0 on a vernier scale. As the marking is in terms of a millimeter, means we have to use this scale which is a mark in millimeter. So this 0 is in between 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. This 0 just crosses the 8 millimeter division. So main scale reading is 8 millimeter. Now as this 0 just crosses the 8 millimeter line, so we have to consider only this portion, of which the division of a vernier scale will coincide with the main scale. If we see this division, that the division number 1, 2, 3 and 4, fourth number of division coincides with the this division on a main scale. So 8 millimeter is a main scale reading plus this fourth division multiplied by the least count. This least count is a 0.02, so it gives us vernier scale reading as a 0.08 millimeter. So the main scale reading is a 8 millimeter and this reading vernier scale reading is a 0.08 millimeter. So the final reading is a 8.08 millimeter. Now take such 3 readings. Again hold the component, then note down the readings. So main scale reading is a 8 millimeter. And here now fifth division coincides with a main scale division. So fifth division of a vernier scale coincides with the main scale division. So total divisions are up to the 1, means 5 divisions are here. So fifth division will coincide with the main scale reading. So 5 multiplied by 0.02 gives us 0.1. So total reading is a 8.1 millimeter. Previous reading is a 8.08. Now this is a 8.1. Now take another third reading. Eight millimeter is a main scale reading. And here the third division coincides with the main scale reading. So 3 multiplied by 0.02 gives us 0.06. So total reading is a 8.06 millimeter. Now this is a digital vernier caliper. Means here we can directly get the result in digital form without doing any calculations. All features are the same except the digital display is provided in this digital vernier caliper. Now we have to check the zero error in this case. Then press 0. Now it shows 0 millimeter reading, means it is a correct. Now it is ready for measurement. Now take the same component which already we have used, place the component here and hold the component in this way, lock this nut. Now this shows the reading of a 7.98 millimeter. Again second reading shows a 7.98 millimeter. And the third reading is a 7.99 millimeter. Thus by using the digital vernier caliper we are getting the reading very speedily. Now the next component is a micrometer. So the micrometer is shown here. This is capable only to measure up to the 0 to 25 millimeter, and its list count is a 0.01 millimeter. For this vernier caliper the list count is a 0.02 millimeter, and for this it is a 0.01 millimeter. This is a cylindrical scale. This is a main scale. On main scale this is a horizontal reference line with the reference of which we have to take the main scale reading. On main scale the marking is in terms of a millimeter, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeter, 10, 15, and if we proceed as the range is a 25 millimeter, so finally the last division will be of a 25 millimeter. Now hold the component here. The component is hold in micrometer. Now we have to take the reading. Now first take the main scale reading and then take this circular scale reading. Now main scale reading shows us now the edge of this sleeve. Note down the position of the edge of this sleeve. This is a 6, 7, 8 and 6, 7, 6 and 7 is completed. 8 division is not visible. So 7, and if we see the lower side of the reference line, half division is a cross. So 7.5 millimeter is a main scale reading. And if you observe this horizontal reference line, position of this horizontal reference line in respect with the cylindrical scale, it lies between the 45, 46 and 47. It lies between the 46th division. So 46 multiplied by the least count, that is a 0.01. This gives us a 0.46. The main scale reading is a 7.5. 7.5 plus 0.46 gives us a reading of a 7.96 millimeter. So the final reading of thickness of this component is a 7.96 millimeter. Now change the position. As it is of a constant thickness, apply this light pressure by using this ratchet. Now again take the reading. 6, 7 is completed. It is just ahead of the 8th division. Again it crosses the 7.5. So 7.5 is a main scale reading, and again here we see the 46th division is a circular scale reading. So 7.5 plus 46.46 millimeter is a circular scale reading. So the total reading is a 7.96 millimeter. So for third reading, again it is observed that the same reading is observed. 7.5 is a main scale reading. 46 division is coinciding with a reference line. So 7.96 is a final reading. Thus in this way all these readings are completed.